Jeeps are supposed to get dirty, but they shouldn't stay dirty. Leaving your Jeep muddy and dirty shortens its lifespan. Once you are off the trails, you're going to want to give your Jeep a thorough cleaning. And I'm going to share with you my top 5 areas to pay special attention to. First is the wheels and tires. You know, not just the front side that we see, but the back side. And it's best to use a high-pressure sprayer like a power washer or one of those sprayers at the local do-it-yourself car wash. You know, mud and dirt can get clogged up in all those components attaching your Jeep to the wheels. This happened to an XJ owner. He thought he had death wobble. Well, he did have death wobble, but it was not a suspension issue. It was all the caked in mud in his wheels. Number 2, your frame. Get under your Jeep. You know, those Wranglers have holes in their frames and they're hollow inside. So take your hose. You should see. Look at this. Insert it into the hole and let it run for a bit. The first time I did this to mine, the water was coming out and it was black, then brown, and finally just clear water. You can see. Look at that. Yuck. Number 3, your undercarriage. You know, it's a good idea to take that sprinkler that moves back and forth and put it under your Jeep and let it run for a good hour. But there needs to be more than just that. The space between the skid plate and your undercarriage. And sometimes there's even rocks and branches in there. Now I have rear control arm skid plates and it gets really caked in there. So you're going to have to take that hose and get in between all those spaces. And sometimes you may even have to get in there with your hands and pull out that mud. Because you know, mud attracts rust. And that rust comes from that road salt and that ocean salt too. Number 4, your radiator. Make sure it's clear of all obstacles. And of course, number 5, your engine. Did you know you can power wash your engine? Just be careful not to spray into your air filter. And another bonus to keeping your Jeep clean, especially that undercarriage, is your mechanic will thank you. One of their biggest pet peeves is that mud and yuck falling into their face and eyes when they're working on your dirty Jeep. I have more cool Jeep cleaning hacks in another Jeep Momma video, and the link is in the description below.